Today I will swap face and photo in a realistic way with the help of AI. Open your browser and go to pixlr.com. Scroll down and click on AI Face Swap. Upload your target photo here. And upload face photo here. Click Run Face Swap button. Below, as you can see, it has swiped the face in a realistic way. Now click on this photo and download your photo. As you can see, it has swiped the face in a nice and realistic way. For more videos like this, to watch, subscribe my channel, like this video, and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching.